I grew up around aviation. My dad is a pilot commercially. I grew up thinking I wanted to be a commercial pilot, and I tried that out, and I decided that while flying is fun, I would enjoy it more if I were to pursue a career in aviation mechanics. This career field demands very precise work and very diligent work. If you are the type of person who even just working on a practice project is like, it's good enough, I won't do this in the actual field, I wouldn't recommend this career field. Make sure that you are able to be diligent and detailed and precise, and if a project isn't turning out how you want it to, be willing to just scratch it and redo it until you get it right, you know? Right now I have my eye on Spacex. They're a private rocket building and rocket launching company, and they hire airframe and power plant mechanics to work on and help fabricate their rocket engines primarily, which I'm fascinated with rockets and all things space, so that would be a lot of fun to touch things that go up into space. But whether I get there or not, we'll have to see. What makes me most proud to be a PIA graduate has got to be the people I went through school with. My class specifically was just awesome. We're like family.